Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
I am fine, teacher.
Very good. All are fine. Okay. Myself, Mrs. Vidya Sake from Agripada Municipal English Primary School. Okay, student. Now tell me, do you like sing a song?
Yes.
Okay. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very nice. Very. We say thank you.
We
Say
say
everyone.
thank.
We say thank you.
We say thank you.
And do the action, okay? We say thank you.
We say thank you.
We say please.
We say please.
We say please.
We say please.
And excuse me.
And excuse me.
And excuse me.
And excuse me.
When we sneeze.
When we sneeze.
When we sneeze.
When we sneeze.
That is the way.
That is a way.
That is the way.
That is the way.
We do what right.
We do what's right.
We do what's right.
We do what's right.
We have manners.
Have manners.
We have manners.
I have manners.
We are polite.
We are polite.
Okay, very good. Now clap yourself. Yes, everyone clap yourself. Okay, very nice. Now student, tell me some good habit. Do you know good habit? Tell me some name.
Yes.
Tell me.
First we have to early we have to wake up and we have to do brush, then we have to bath, then we have to do brush.
Very nice.
Then first we have to early in the morning we have to wake up. Then we have to brush then we have to do bath. Then we have to do breakfast. And then we have to do study.
Very nice. Okay, very good. So student, today we will see some good habit. See, good habit and subject is English. Okay, see. These are good habits which I follow, and what about you? Okay, see all these good habits. First, we will read.
Eat healthy and food.
Wait. See. Eat healthy and fresh food. And this one?
Fresh food.
Okay, and this one?
Harm animals.
Don't harm
animals.
Very good. And this is?
Be clean, neat, and tidy.
Very nice.
Don't speak anywhere.
Don't speak anywhere. Help
each other.
Very nice. Don't waste
water.
Very good.
Waste water.
Okay, next.
Put rubbish in the dustbin.
Very nice.
Don't waste the food.
Very good. These are the good habit. Okay. Okay. Now we will see in detail. Okay. First one is eat.
First boy is eating healthy food.
Very nice. Student, now tell me some name of food item. Yes, can you tell me some name of food item?
Yes. Apple, watermelon, and banana,
Okay,
orange.
okay. Okay, very nice. These are fruit. Okay. We will see food items. In that, vegetable, fruit, pulses, and cereals. Okay. So, student, we should always eat healthy food and avoid eating junk food. Okay. Which is not healthy for our health. Do you know? Do you know? Yes or no?
Yes.
Always eat healthy food and never eat junk food. Okay? Because which is not healthy for our health. Okay, got it everyone? Okay, next. Next is don't harm animals.
Don't harm animals.
Yes, very
Don't
good.
harm animals.
Yes. Okay, see, listen. We should never harm animals around us. If possible, take care of them and love them. Okay? Next one is be clean, neat and tidy. Okay? Now, student, tell me how you keep yourself neat and tidy. Yes? Can anyone tell?
Yes.
Yes?
We have to wake up early in the morning, and we have to do brush, and we have to bath, and we have to do breakfast, and we have to comb hair, and we have to go to school, and we have to do study.
Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice, children. Okay. We can keep ourselves neat and tidy for early to bed and early to rise. Brush your teeth twice a day. Flush toilet after use. And have a bath every day. Comb your hair regularly. Okay? And wash your hand before and after having meal. Use hanky while sneezing and coughing. And trim your nails regularly. Got it? How will you be keep? Yes? Yes, everyone got it? How to keep us clean and tidy?
We are milk over, then we have to wash we hand, and we getting curve, we have to take a handkerchief, we have to keep our mouth.
Very nice. So, student, very nice. So, student, always remember, be clean and neat, tidy. Also, don't harm animals. Okay, next we will see next slide. Okay, don't spit anywhere. Yes, don't spit anywhere. Because of these, disease can be spread. So, student, don't spit anywhere, and also your elders don't spit anywhere. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, next. Yes? Yes, what is this? Yes, children, which habit is this?
Help.
Always help
Help
others.
others.
Okay?
Others.
Always help
Others.
others. Student, do you help your parents at home? Yes? Do you help your parents?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, what type of help you do? Yes, children. What type of help? No? Okay. Cleaning the house and cooking. Yes. Etc. Okay. Also, respect your elder and take care of your young ones. Okay. See in that. Respect your helper. Help your friends in school. And help people in need. Okay, next. Now tell me how you help your friend in school. Can you tell me how you help your friend in a school? Yeah, children. Can you tell me how you help your friend while doing homework and when they are in trouble? Okay. We should always help each other. Got it, everyone?
Huh?
We should always help others. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, next. See, which habit? Who will read? Don't waste. Don't waste water.
Water.
Okay. Wait.
Wait. Water.
Okay, see. Don't waste water. Okay? Do you know water is very necessary for every living thing? Yes or no? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay. Water is very necessary for every living thing. Without water, we cannot survive. Okay. So, we should not waste water. Okay. We should save water. And we should store drinking water in a clean utensil. Okay. Next. Okay. Put rubbish in the dustbin. Next one is put rubbish in the dustbin. Now, children, tell me, where do you throw garbage? Yes? Can anyone tell? Where do you throw garbage?
Dustbin.
Sorry, repeat. Hello. Where do you throw garbage? In dustbin. Okay? In dustbin. Okay. We should always use dustbin for garbage. So we can avoid many diseases spreading around us. Okay? Got it, student?
Yes.
Always throw garbage in a dustbin. Okay? See. Next. Don't waste the food.
Don't waste the food.
Don't waste the food. See, all these are good habit. Okay? Don't waste the food. We should not throw remaining food. We should Be aware about the quantity of food we need them only we can able to avoid food wastage. Okay. See next. Love and protect the nature. Okay. Okay, student, again we will see all good habit. Yes, first one is
Eat healthy food.
okay. Eat healthy food. All these are good habit. Okay, keep in your mind. Eat healthy food. Next one is don't harm animal. Very nice. Next, be clean and be clean, neat and tidy. Okay. Next. Next.
Don't defeat everyone.
Don't spit anywhere. Okay.
Anywhere. Anywhere.
Don't spit anywhere. And next is
Help others.
okay. Always help others.
Always.
And okay. Next is
Don't waste water.
don't waste water. Very nice. And this one.
Put rubbish in the dustbin.
Very good. Put rubbish in the dustbin.
Don't
and this
waste
one.
food.
Don't waste the food. Okay. And next one is love and protect the nature. Okay. As we learn the above aspect, we come to know that by acquiring good habits, we can easily protect our nature as well as our surrounding. So, student, we should always avoid bad habit so that our surrounding will be healthy and disease free. Okay, student, keep in your mind, we should always avoid bad habit. And so that our surrounding will be healthy and disease free. Okay. Next one is. Yes, who will read? Exercise daily. Do you know exercise is very important? Yes, student. Do you know? Okay. Exercise is very essential. Yes.
Daily.
Yes, daily. Exercise daily. Exercise is very essential for our healthy body. Okay. It can increase our immunity power. So, do exercise daily. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, children, wait. See. Children, observe the picture and match the following. Okay. Now, children, tell me what is the first picture? Yes.
First picture is one boy is early wake up.
Oh, yes, very good. Wake up early. Wake up
early.
Wake up early. Okay. And second one is?
Second girl is sleeping in the bed.
Okay. So, go to bed.
Go to bed.
Early.
Early. Go
very
to
nice.
bed early.
Okay. Now, tell me third one is?
Third. One boy is bathing.
And so, match here. Take a bath. Take a bath daily.
A bath.
Very good. And Here, yes.
And this boy is drinking water.
Drink. So,
Water.
drink enough water. And last one remaining is?
Do exercise.
Do exercise daily.
Do exercise daily.
Okay. Okay, now got it everyone?
Yes.
Which are the good habit? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait. Now, student, these are some good habit and bad habit. So, mention if good and mention if wrong. Okay? Now, see. This is your homework. Okay? See. Food. Okay, read. Yes.
Habit.
Wrong.
Wrong for the bad habit.
Okay. Put a tick for the good habits and wrong for the bad habit. Okay. First one is, yes, who will read? First one is Priya. Wastage food. Wastage food. Okay, tell me student, which habit is this?
Bad habit.
Very nice. This is bad habit. So you have to wait. You have to mark here wrong. Okay.
X.
Okay. And second one is Rohan.
Rohan clean.
Close the tap.
Rohan closes the tap while brushing.
Tap. Okay. Which habit is this? Good or bad?
Good habit.
Very nice. This is good habits. So, mark here. One is?
Right.
Okay, third. Read the third habit.
Okay. Mini playing chips every day in her tiffin.
Okay, tell me student, which habit? Good or bad?
Bad habit.
Okay, this is bad habit. So, put a wrong mark here. Okay, and fourth one is? Fourth one is Aman
keep his pet dog.
Okay, which habit?
Bad habit.
Bad habit. So, put here wrong. Okay, and last one is?
Sohan take care of her cat.
Sohan takes care of his cat. Okay? Good habit. Okay, student. And this is your homework. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.